motion, find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Understand that, but I'm in hopes that you'll hear me out.
Whoa, right from the start, the judge isn't playing around. 2 years in jail and a massive fine on the table. For anyone wondering, this is what happens when probation terms are violated. Judges can instantly pivot to sentencing. Stakes extremely high.
Calling 2019 CR 8173, State of Texas versus Amanda Lawson. Can I have parties announced for the record? For the state.
Jason Jerahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
Ray Lopez, Your Honor.
And are you Amanda Lawson?
Okay, audience, here's where it gets interesting. Amanda Lawson is back in court, and this isn't her first rodeo. Quick question for you all. Do you think people deserve a second chance after violating probation, or is one strike enough? Drop your thoughts below.
7-3. For the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on November 14, 2019, for a period of 4 years and extended for a total of 2 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 5 in Dirk County, Texas. The defendant, Amanda Nicole Lawson, who did in there failed to report the supervision officer as directed for the month of October 2022.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Understand that, but I'm in hopes that you'll hear me out.
No, my question is, did you understand that? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there proposed agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense.
Look, I was requesting that she be placed back on probation, and my client would like to testify to give the reasons to the court.
All right, if you can raise your right hand, please.
Here comes the testimony moment. This is where defendants often try to win back the judge's trust. And let me tell you, these heartfelt pleas can either melt the court's heart or fall completely flat. V.
Because you gave me a second chance 2 years ago, I went to Grace House and I changed my life. I've been sober for 2 years. I was released from Grace House because I had a surgery and I had to go home and take care of my family. I've been doing nothing but going to work and going home. I was scared. I understand that being on the run for 2 years is bad, but I was scared that I was about to lose everything that I just worked really hard for because of the way changed in my life. And I'm just hoping that you believe in me one more time.
All right, this is your second motion to revoke.
Second violation. That's critical. In legal terms, judges see this as a pattern, not a mistake. Notice how the judge reminds her she had chances in 2019 and again in 2021? That's the system basically saying, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, consequences are coming.
So, you've been here before. You were placed on probation in 2019. And then you came back in 2021 and you pled true to a violation of condition number 1, which is a new offense. And then the court altered and amended your conditions and continued you. And then now we're here and nobody has seen you since 2022.
I was scared. I was at home. I was taking care of my family.
Why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
I was scared. I can't have no excuse for that, Miss Boyd.
Okay.
I was scared to lose everything I've just worked so hard for. My grandma is 75 and my grandpa is 95, and I have my kids back in my life. I have a relationship with them now. I've been sober since Grace House. I haven't worked so hard for something. It would just destroy me to lose it again and start over.
All right, so these are choices you made.
Yes, I understand that.
You made the choice not to report.
I understand that. I'm just hoping you'll believe in me one last time.
All right. Any questions?
She said all.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. The court is going to grant the motion. The court is finding you guilty. Does anyone want to speak with regards to punishment? State?
Yes, Your Honor. The state's requesting 16 months state jail.
Yeah, we're requesting the minimum. That's 166 days in. We also have some credit for the time she served. And
All right. So what I can tell you, Ms. Lawson, the state is requesting 16 months.
Wow. Did you catch that? The judge was ready to give 2 years, but the state actually requested less, just 16 months. That's rare. Usually, prosecutors push for tougher sentences. What do you think? Was that mercy or just strategy?
Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you were given chances. And in this court, I don't know how other courts do it, but in this court, it is better to ask for permission than forgiveness. All you had to do was pick up the phone and call your probation officer and say, this is what's going on in my life. And if they did not address it, you know what you could have done? You could have come back to this court, come back to me, and I would have figured out what was going on. But for you to behave as though you were not on probation, that's a problem. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right, why were you late?
I had what parking, I couldn't find a parking spot, and I guess.
All right, so court starts at 9. So you need to think about that when you're coming to court and plan accordingly.
Okay.
All right? I know people think it's just a little bit here, it's just a little bit there. But in this court, I try to keep the system streamlined so that everybody understands. And I want everybody to understand the rules, because I find that when people understand what the rules are, you stay within those lines and everything will be just fine. So I require everyone to be here at 9. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So my mom called me and she said, Stephanie, it's Spectre of the gun, not Day of the gun. I'm sorry, you're not a Trekkie.
Oh. Talking about yesterday?
Yes. But I'm telling you, I don't think people realize how great Star Trek, the original, was.
You're right. It was good.
Yes. And it had teachable moments. And Bashan, I will debate anybody to this day and tell them that Mr. Spock should have been leader.
Oh.
He solved every problem.
He really did.
Bashan, and I don't even think he got an increase in pay.